Cox has transitioned their emails over to Yahoo and caused the users some issues accessing their mail outside of the Yahoo Mail website. Let's first look at accessing your Cox Mail through a third-party app such as Outlook. Yahoo has switched to two-factor authentication. To get around this, you need to generate an app password for Outlook, as you won't be able to use your Yahoo password. First, click your profile name and then choose Account Info. You may need to sign in again, but if not, click Security. Scroll down until you see Generate App Password. In the Generate an App Password window, type Outlook and click Generate Password. If you get this error message, sorry, this feature is not available right now. Keep trying at random times until it works. You'll then be given a new password, which you can copy and input into your Outlook Mail settings. Copy this password without the spaces and enter it when Outlook prompts you for a password, or input it into service settings in Outlook. To find these settings, open Outlook and then click File in the top left corner and then Info. You will also have to change the server settings within Outlook from Cox to Yahoo settings. For incoming mail, change the server to imap.mail.yahoo.com. Port 993, requires SSL, yes. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to Outgoing to reveal its settings. For outgoing mail, change the server to smtp.mail.yahoo.com. Port 465 or 587. Requires SSL, yes. Requires authentication, yes. Click Next and then Done. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel.